This is a brand new 12 by 12 paper pad from our friends at Stamperia. It is in Spanish, and excuse me, let me do this right. Azulejos de Sueno is the title of it, and it means dream tiles. So very nice. Sueno is dream, azulejos is tiles. And like all Stamperia, they are padded on the left-hand side, so it opens like a book. Now, let me show you. So there is an all-over tile pattern, which is exactly what you're going to expect. Isn't that beautiful? And the tiles all around it, so you can cut this apart, use these as for your card making or certainly for scrapbooking. On the back side is another all-over tile. All of Stamperia has pages that are artwork for you. Now, this being a 12 by 12, these are a little bit smaller than 6 by 6, but aren't they lovely? Just gorgeous, of course. The back side is a little plainer, so if you want to use it for journaling or your card focals, it's right there. Look at that all-over tile pattern. Can't you just see lots of possibilities there? And the back side is an all-over pattern. Very, very pretty. And here we have another of the tiles. You can see a border tile, beautiful floral and butterflies. Now, as I said, the text is Spanish, so that's really nice. There is the all-over pattern. And are you taking a peek over here? Aren't they beautiful? We'll get inside and you can see. Now, again, because this is 12 inches, you've got 4 going across. They're about 2.5 inches wide. And as I said, Sueno needs dream. Now, if you don't want that on there, you can just cut that off. Just beautiful. So, so pretty. Para ti, I think that's for you. Not sure. But I did find out you can go to Google and put translate, and then you can put in whatever you want. It will translate it, and you can hit the little vocal button and you can hear it pronounced. So that's really nice to know. On the back side, as you know, there's going to be an all-over pattern or they're going to be plainer. Now we've got even more artwork, just gorgeous. And that's what's really nice and really special about the Stamperia. All of their paper packs have a ton of artwork that you can cut out. The back sides are normally plainer than the front, as this one is. Look at those tiles. Isn't that pretty? And we've got more. There we go. Now, on this sheet, there is an envelope, and very often they have that. And the way to think about this is when you cut it out, you want to bring the wings in, the bottom up, and then the top down, and that's going to make sense when you have it. Let me show you. Okay, so like this. So wings in, bottom up, top down. The top will either have words on it or it has that kind of a an image, unless you want to use that as the bottom and that as the top, your choice. But look what else you have. This beautiful cream and pink and blue artwork. The back side, your envelope is printed on 2 sides, as are all the other pieces. More tile. I think that's just going to be a beautiful background on many things. All over tile, and then another all over tile, and that's the back side, and then the last one. Now, I did want to show you that Teresa is doing a webisode using this paper collection and some flowers, but I also found these butterflies. Now, let me find a page that's got more of the teal, and I think it will work pretty nicely. All these glittery butterflies, you can see what you think. Let's see, let me turn this over. There we go. There are butterflies all through this, and I thought what could be better than glittery butterflies. Now, let me give you the item number on this. It is 4015357, if you're interested in that. Certainly, this beautiful paper pack speaks for itself. Now, we do have limited quantities of both. I just want you to know.